just looking for a change. So I came to Van Horn, started as a lube tech, was working as a lube tech for 3 to 6 months, and then I got the opportunity to do a high gear apprenticeship program through Van Horn. So I work with a mentor, get to work with them doing some bigger jobs, stuff like that. So
What kind of jobs would you say you get to do with them? What kind of bigger jobs?
um, kind of like whatever comes through the door, anything from electrical diagnosis to engines, transmissions, anything really.
What was your favorite job you got to do so far?
Mm, Probably timing jobs are really fun and
Yeah.
like engines.
What's the worst job you've had to do so far? I know
Um,
you got to have one that sticks
I
out.
mean, the transit exhaust manifold job was pretty rough.
Yeah.
And as hard as those cars are, at the end of it, you feel there is some satisfaction at the end of that where you're like, I did it. I figured it out.
Once you
And
figure it out.
yeah, it makes you, there's a feeling you get from that. It feels really good.